Hello, welcome to data processing class. Today we will be talking about introduction to data processing. We are going to look at the definition of data processing, what is data, what is processing system, and example of a processing system. What is data processing? Data processing is the task of using collection of basic facts to produce information. This simply means data processing is the act of creating information through data. It means the task of collecting data, then processing the data into information. So in essence, data processing involves the creation of information through basic facts, which are known as data. For a data to be processed, the first thing is for the user to collect the raw data. When the user collects the raw data, it will input it into a processing system. Then the processing system will give out output. The output is known as information. So before information is produced, data must be processed. And before data must be processed, you have to collect the data. And before you can collect data, there must be a user that will do the job of collecting the data. What is data? Data is a common term we use in our day-to-day activity, but the meaning of data is any basic fact which may be input into processing system. What do we mean by basic fact? It means a raw fact. It means an accurate details of a something. When you have a precise details of something, that's a fact, that's the data about that person. For example, a name of a person is accurate, is precise, is for that person, is an example of a data. For example, if you want to collect data about a student, you can collect the data by getting the student's name, the student's gender, the student's age. All those things are called data. What is a processing system? A processing system is a system where computations, comparisons, and general manipulation of data are done. This refers to a computer system because it is our computer system that we will put into input our data. When you get your data, you have to input it inside the processing system, and the main operation that is carried out by the processing system is to computate, to manipulate, to compare, and give out information from that data. A data is not useful unless it is processed by a processing system. That's why our computers are very useful. They help us in manipulation, they help us in processing, they help us in computating our data so that we can get information from these data. A good example of a processing system, like I said, is a PC, a processing system. A PC is our personal computer. Yes, personal computer is PC. So that is it for introduction to data processing. So in our subsequent classes, we'll be looking at the difference between data and information, what is information, importance of information, and some other topics under data processing. Thank you for watching. I hope you've gained one or two things from this. If you have any question, kindly go to the comment section and type in, and I'll be very glad to answer all your questions. And if you have any suggestion about what we should talk about or explain more, then you can also comment it under the comment section. I will be glad to have you there. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next class.